How to use the Socratic Method. The Socratic Method is a process of dialogue based on questioning that inspires critical thinking and analysis. Primarily, the method was designed for moral and philosophical inquiry, but the technique can be used in almost any discussion. It helps to structure constructive and even challenging conversations without descending into argument or pure rhetoric. Here are the 5 steps to follow to have a Socratic dialogue. Number 1. Receive. First, receive what the other person has to say. Listen to the other person's premise, view, or argument. And remember, you have to properly listen at this stage to be able to do the next step. 2. Reflect. Sum up the person's viewpoint or argument and reflect it back. Do this by first getting them to clarify and sum up their position, and then by paraphrasing or repeating it back to them. 3. Refine. Ask them to provide their evidence. Find out why they are thinking or acting in that way. Discover the facts, beliefs, or assumptions that underpin their standpoint. Often the premise will be based on assumptions rather than hard facts. Assumptions are fine, but challenge these assumptions to test their validity. Use further questions to uncover fallacy or any wrong presuppositions. You can often use why questions at this stage to help with this. 4. Restate. Now that you have refined your thinking, get them to reformulate and restate their position. If they see that they had a wrong assumption, get them to adapt or renew their wording and then restate it. 5. Repeat. Now they have a new viewpoint, you can go back to the start of the process. You can assess the new premise and challenge any further wrong assumptions in their thinking. This iterative or dialectic process helps to drill down to the core of the issue. This method becomes a cycle of dialogue. And that's it, simple. The question technique framework is easy to remember, and the skill comes in applying it. The challenge is to really listen to the other person and truly commit to coming to a better shared understanding of the issue. This may come through challenging assumptions or logical viewpoints, but the goal of the Socratic method is not about winning an argument. It is about finding understanding, knowledge, and truth. It's about getting to the heart of an idea. If you'd like more detail on this or similar subjects, then please do follow the links or head over to the website, which is www.therightquestions.co. And if you found this helpful, please do like and subscribe.